1 month, 6 cities, countless memories. This is our trip of Vietnam. On to Ho Chi Minh.
Just here at the new digs in Ho Chi Minh City. Very different looking city to the last one we're in. Pretty keen to go out and explore. Day one in Ho Chi Minh City, we've got the first Vietnamese coffee down. What are we going to do now?
We're going to go to Central Market and we're just going to walk around and explore today.
Yeah, see what this city has to offer.
That's right. First breakfast here. Girls have got some eggs with some really, really fresh hot bread. Laura's got salad there and we're getting ramen.
Oh, this park feels like it's 15 degrees cooler. A bit more removed from the traffic too. I'm gonna go and check out the Central Market.
Here at the Central Market, and they've got a slide for the kids to go down rather than the stairs. All right, Laura, off you go.
Back out on the noisy street. Traffic just never stops. Constantly flowing. We just stopped in here for another coffee while the girls are shopping. The place is called Legend and it says the energy coffee that changes life. We shall see about that. Okay, this is the best coffee I've had in Vietnam right here at Legend. Anna ordered 2 by mistake. She said, don't worry, I'll drink the second one. I also got a ginger chicken dish. The girls love the rice, not so much the greens, but they do love the soup. How's the watermelon?
Good.
Time for the ladies to eat. Anna ordered some vegetable spring rolls. Didn't realise it was spring rolls with a bowl full of vegetables and noodles.
No, I didn't.
So she got some stir fries.
Okay.
Hope you're hungry, Babsha.
Alright, off to check out the big Central Market today. Owen says he's going to buy some clothes. The girls want some handbags. So we'll see if we actually get anything.
Yeah, it's a playground. And an ice cream? Lucky.
Yeah. The girls don't even care. They just take it like little bosses. Starting our date today, and we've come to the famous coconut ice cream / coffee shop, and the girls are excited because they are getting ice cream for breakfast.
Yeah.
We had a coconut coffee ice cream in Hanoi 5 years ago, and we still talk about it, so we've got pretty high expectations here. Now it's time to test the coffee, Mum.
Oh, very strong.
Have you your day started?
And Babs is getting a coconut coffee.
Babs is going to be walking all day now. You like this park? Yeah. Should we go and have a play?
Yeah.
All right.
Right now.
Right now.
got here some yummy duck, and Bapcha's got a salty fish fried rice. Is it good, Bapcha? Good. It's good. Centre of Ho Chi Minh, we've got the main government building, the fancy shopping centre, and the opera house over there.
That looks pretty cool, but you got to stand in the middle of the road just to see it.
Yeah, we're literally in the middle of the roundabout, and that's the main pedestrian walkway there, takes you to the water.
Do you know what this is?
No.
Fish eggs.
Eggs?
Yeah. You like chicken eggs? Yeah? This is fish eggs. Just when I thought she was finished. Yummy? And Laura, you want some more caviar? What kind of 4-year-old has caviar?
No.
Owen's soft shell crab sushi just arrived. He's very excited because he can finally have something because it's got no avocado.
You.
I want some.
Just wait, girls.
Hey. Sushi tea. Hopefully I'm saying that right. What do we get? Crab salad, 3 different types of sushi,
Yeah.
rice, 4 beers,
Yeah.
$78.
It was delicious.
In a high class restaurant with a nice view.
Yeah.
You girls like the sushi? Bub's just on duty again. How lucky are we?
Very lucky.
So we just ducked down the street here to a place called Swoop. A little Swoop, nice balcony views here. And a couple of mojitos. We had some garlic and chili roasted peanuts, delicious. A couple of deep fried wontons because we're Westerners. The other food looks good, but we're just not that hungry. The mojito was great, so we had to get another one. And I ordered some kamikazes. Let's see how we go. Let's see how strong they actually are.
Cucumber flavour. Finally made it out to the main party street in Ho Chi Minh City. We're on the edge of the street where it's a bit more tame.
What?
Having some local beers. Really wish we were staying at this backpackers here because Owen and I would have the most amazing time. But we have kids.
I don't know what Who says Ho Chi Minh City's busy? It's a ghost town. No one here.
This is the quietest you'll ever see it.
Oh, one person.
Oh, one. And what time is it? I don't even know what time it is, to be honest.
1:30.
1:30 in the morning. And it's actually, I've never seen Ho Chi Minh so quiet.
No one has. Time for another night out. Thank you, Bubsha. I think what I'll miss most about Vietnam is just dropping into the servo, getting a $1.40 beer and just keep going with your day. Anyway.
It is pretty good.
Let's find somewhere new.
So this is where we were going to go because it looks really cool. But it's full, so it must be good. But it's pretty full, so it must be pretty good.
So there was at least one layer of tables in front of us, and all of a sudden the whole street starts packing up their tables, and the cops drive past, and as soon as they leave, they put all these tables back out again.
So you're not supposed to be on the road?
I guess not.
They have the courtesy to pretend to the police, and the police have the courtesy to pretend that it's not happening.
Alright, it's our last night in Ho Chi Minh City. I'm gonna get some dinner. I'm gonna take Buster out into town for a little bit. You wanna try some hot? What do you think? Is it spicy? But it's yummy? A little bit spicy. Okay.
But yummy.
Alright, time to take Bubster out on the town. Anya's taking the kids to bed.
Yeah, I go with my son.
Yeah.
First time in overseas.
First time overseas, getting on the piss.
What the...
That means drinking. But first things first, we need to go to the market and get a drink for the walk.
Yeah.
All right. Not water.
Water.
No water.
Yeah.
You're in the wrong company for water. I had to take Bubster to the party street, show around. How's your vodka?
Orange. There's no vodka pineapple juice. Remember?
Yeah, vodka pineapple. Is it good?
Okay.
Strong?
So on my list this time was a rooftop bar because you can actually afford it. It's not backpacking for you. And we have come to the view. If you actually lean over the edge, you can see the main party street just down there.
A couple of Long Island iced teas. They're about $11 each on a rooftop bar in a main city. So what's that? $35 in Sydney, if that?
Yeah.
And these are real ones.
Yes.
You can tell because they're almost translucent. Not much brown going on there. Finally got ourselves a little spot here up above. You guys like Ho Chi Minh City?
Yeah.
Yeah, what was your favourite thing?
Food.
You like the food here?
Food is good here.
Yeah. We'll have some more good food in Nha Tran.
You're not going on a train.
Not train,
No, we're going
Nha
to
Tran.
Nha Tran.
That's the place.
Ah.